Learn English to Gujarati location words. Nearby, far away, next to, behind, before with.
નજીકમાં,
And.
પાછળ.
Welcome to the Great Direction Disaster. Hey, you're about to learn 5 super useful Gujarati words without getting lost, emotionally or geographically. Let's make directions fun, dramatic, and slightly ridiculous. Picture this. You are in a new town, feeling confident, stylish, and only a tiny bit confused. You ask where the pharmacy is, and someone says it is.
નજીકમાં.
Great. That means nearby. Then you ask about a famous fort, and the answer is
ઘણું દૂર.
oh, that means far away. Your bag is
પાસે.
the chair, meaning next to the chair. Your sneaky cat is
પાછળ.
the door, meaning behind the door. And please drink water.
પહેલા.
Your adventure, meaning before your adventure. Congratulations, you now sound much more prepared than the hero of most comedy movies. Your 5 magic words. Let's meet the stars of today's chapter one by one. Say them out loud with me like you are casting a spell on a very confused map app. Nearby is
નજીકમાં.
example. The cafe is
નજીકમાં.
far away is
ઘણું દૂર.
example. The village is
ઘણું દૂર.
next to is
પાસે.
example. Sit.
પાસે.
Me. Behind is
પાછળ.
example. The dog is
પાછળ.
the door. Before is
પહેલા.
example. Wash your hands.
પહેલા.
Dinner. A very serious tourist, obviously. Now you get a mini story. Listen for the Gujarati words and imagine the world's most dramatic tourist trying to look calm. I arrived in town.
પહેલા.
Noon and immediately acted like a professional traveler, even though I was holding the map upside down. First, I asked, is there a tea stall?
નજીકમાં.
A kind shopkeeper smiled and said yes. Wonderful. Tea was nearby, and therefore life had meaning again. Then I asked about an ancient palace. He laughed the laugh of a man who knew my shoes were not ready for this journey and said it was
ઘણું દૂર.
very far away. My legs began complaining in advance. While I prepared for my expedition, I put my backpack.
પાસે.
The bench. A moment later, I could not find it, because my own shadow was standing in the way of my intelligence. The bag was still.
પાસે.
The bench. Then I heard a noise.
પાછળ.
Me. I turned around dramatically, expecting a tiger, a ghost, or at least an interesting chicken. It was only a friendly dog.
પાછળ.
TL Latin, the bench. So I drank water.
પહેલા.
Leaving, checked that the tea stall was still.
નજીકમાં.
Accepted that the palace was.
ઘણું દૂર.
Picked up my bag from
પાસે.
the bench and made sure no mysterious dog was hiding.
પાછળ.
Me. Mini dialogues for real life. Let's make this practical. Repeat after each little dialogue, and imagine you are much cooler than the people in the story. A. Is there a bus stop nearby? B. Yes, it is.
નજીકમાં.
A. Is the airport near? B. No, it is.
ઘણું દૂર.
A. Where should I sit? B. Sit.
પાસે.
Me. A. Where is the bicycle? B. It is.
પાછળ.
The wall. A. Should we eat now? B. Wash your hands.
પહેલા.
Memory tricks that are slightly silly. Your brain loves weird images, so let's give it a few. The stranger the picture, the better the memory. 4.
નજીકમાં.
Imagine your glasses are not lost at all. They are nearby. In fact, they are on your head. Classic. 4.
ઘણું દૂર.
Imagine ordering pizza and discovering the restaurant is on another planet. Technically possible, emotionally unfair. 4.
પાસે,
Imagine a goat sitting next to you at dinner like it was invited. It was not invited. It does not care. 4.
પાછળ,
Imagine an elephant trying to hide behind a lamp. You can still see the elephant. The elephant does not understand the assignment. 4.
પહેલા,
Imagine a chicken crossing the road before it even decides why. That is advanced planning. Quick challenge. Time for a tiny quiz. Don't worry, this is friendly. The quiz is not.
પાછળ,
You with a notebook. How do you say nearby in Gujarati?
નજીકમાં,
How do you say far away in Gujarati?
ઘણું દૂર,
How do you say next to in Gujarati?
પાસે,
How do you say behind in Gujarati?
પાછળ,
How do you say before in Gujarati?
પહેલા,
Which word would you use if the shop is very close?
નજીકમાં,
Which phrase would you use if the station is not near at all?
ઘણું દૂર,
Which word fits? The bag is next to the chair.
પાસે,
Which word fits? The cat is behind the sofa.
પાછળ,
Which word fits? Brush your teeth before bed.
પહેલા,
Friendly wrap up. You did it. You survived directions, distance, and one deeply unhelpful imaginary goat. Today you practiced 5 useful English to Gujarati words.
નજીકમાં,
For nearby.
ઘણું દૂર,
For far away.
પાસે,
For next to.
પાછળ,
For behind and.
પહેલા.
For before. Thank you for listening and learning with me. Keep practicing these words out loud, use them in your own sentences, and come back to repeat them again.
પહેલા,
They sneak away from memory. You are doing great.